What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. In this review, we have the Zealtron Otoscope. Now, this was sent to me from the same company that sent me the Boroscope that I just reviewed. And let's check this out. This is similar to a Boroscope, but here we have a case, right? We unzipping the case, so I already opened this up a little bit already just to check it out. Sorry about that, but this was in this packet like this. This is the scope right here. The scope has a USB. This is about maybe like a 3-foot cable. So you got 3 foot of cable. This one here is a 7-inch screen. This is big. Use this otoscope to check your ears. You check your nose, you could check your inside of your mouth. This is mainly for a, let's say like doctors and stuff like that, but you can use it too if you are the type that like cleaning your ears a lot or want to just go inside your ears to check inside your ears. Right here we have a charger. So let's see. And we have, just like last time, a 32 gigabyte micro chip. One of the little micro chips right there. On this unit, you can record and you can take pictures. And I love this because guess what? You don't need your phone. So if you're a doctor and you need to be on your phone or something, or you need your phone on standby, you can have this otoscope on a standalone instead of having to use your phone. I know we preach about smartphones and, you know, smart connectivity and all that stuff, but sometimes you want a standalone product. These are the tips that you go inside your ear. All right, so here you have 4 different types of tips. Now with this, it says you can clean your ears with this. So I guess you go in and when you see the otoscope, you can kind of scoop out your little wax or whatever you got. All right. Now they said this is waterproof, so you can wash this. All right. This has 6 adjustable LED lights. We will test that out, of course. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'm trying to see what else. It says you could clean these with alcohol cleaner. All right, so you could clean these with alcohol, but it says don't put alcohol on this. All right, so you could use regular water on this. They said this one is waterproof. All right, now this, you know how at the doctor's office they use these things to look inside your ear. Okay, you guys, so now we have the otoscope out here. This is the settings and the reset button. This is the up and down buttons. This is the OK, play, pause. Of course, you have the camera, record, and the power button, which we're going to press right now. Okay, I held it. And there we go, Zealtron. Also want to note that this looks like it has a light on the top. I don't know how to work that yet, but I will show y'all. And we have a little kickstand. So if you're a doctor, nurse, or whatever, you checking the ears. Oh no, that wasn't even the otoscope. My apologies, everyone. Got it right here. We hook up the otoscope probe and it comes on right away. You have all your settings. It has the album, your photo album, resolution, which we want to see. Let me go ahead, hit OK. Resolution, oh, 1080. So it's already 1080. Record audio. Okay, we'll leave that on there. Backlight brightness. Let's see. Brightness is all the way up already. And that's brightness at all the way down. All right. Okay. So this is pretty much easy. Not too hard. English, we're going to leave it on English because I don't want to put on nothing else or I will look stupid. Okay. We can format our SD card, I think. But I'm going to leave it alone because I don't want to mess nothing up. And that's about it.